The big political showdown playing out in Andhra Pradesh between Chandrababu Naidu and Jagan Mohan Reddy. Naidu hitting back at Jagan over his protest in the national capital, claiming there to be rising political violence in the state, has fired a big temple attack on Jagan. Chief Minister Naidu has accused Jagan of having harmed, destroyed temples while being in power in Andhra Pradesh. Chandrababu Naidu has alleged that Jagan Mohan Reddy and under his watch, religious places were attacked and that the erstwhile Jagan government had a hidden agenda.
దేవాలయాలపైన దాడులు నేను నా జీవితంలో చాలా ప్రభుత్వాలు చూశాను కానీ ఫస్ట్ టైం ఒక రహస్య అజెండా పెట్టుకొని దేవాలయాలపైన దాడులు చేశారు. అంతర్వేది లక్ష్మీ నరసింహస్వామి ఆలయంలో రథానికి నిప్పంటించారు. అది అంటించి కడాన కథలన్నీ చెప్పే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. రామతీర్థం రాముడి శిరస్సే ఎత్తేసే పరిస్థితికి వచ్చారు. విజయవాడ దుర్గమ్మ ఆలయంలో వెండి సింహాలు మాయమైపోయినాయి. మంత్రాలయంలో లక్ష్మీ నరసింహస్వామి ఆలయంలో నాగ శిరస్సు దెబ్బతినింది. నెల్లూరు జిల్లాలో వెంకటగిరిలో 50 కిలోల పురాతన నంది విగ్రహం చోరీకి గురైంది. నెల్లూరు జిల్లాలో రేజర్ల మండలం శ్రీ నీలకంఠేశ్వర స్వామి ఆలయంలో నంది రాతి విగ్రహం చోరీకి గురైంది. విజయవాడలో సీతాదేవి, శ్రీరాముడు, సుబ్రహ్మణ్య స్వామి విగ్రహాలు ధ్వంసం చేశారు. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీరు చూస్తే ఒక్క మెసేజ్ ఒక్కప్పుడైనా ఇచ్చుంటే ఇలాంటి వచ్చేటి కాదు. మేము రామతీర్థంలో ఇది జరిగిందని.
Okay, so that is the attack that's come in from Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu. Let's take this across to Apurva Jayachandran for more details. Apurva, all-out attack there from the Andhra CM a day after Jagan's protest in the national capital. Naidu has responded by referring to the attacks on media personnel, by referring to the incident of Jagan's uncle's murder, and also saying that temples were targeted when Jagan was in power.
Well, that's right, Akshita. Naidu is coming down quite strongly on the former Chief Minister and YSRCP Chief Jagan Mohan Reddy. In fact, goes on to state that the last 5 years, that is between 2019 to 2024, that the YSRCP was in power here in Andhra Pradesh, it had been a complete catastrophe of law and order there. In fact, he goes on to take several instances of attacks that had taken place not only on political leaders but also common public as well. SC/ST cases that had been slapped against the common public. Apart from that, he's also talking about how temples and other religious institutions across the state of Andhra Pradesh had been vandalized, be it the Ramatirtham incident that took place where the idol of Lord Ram was vandalized, or the one in Nellore where at the Durga Mata temple one of the the silver ornaments was stolen. Such incidents he states, and he also goes on, Naidu goes on to state that there had been some sort of a hidden agenda which with the YSRCP government had been functioning, and these attacks and the kind of violence cases that had taken place over the last 5 years is an example how there had been a complete breakdown of law and order in the state. In fact, Naidu also goes on to compare YS Jagan Mohan Reddy to North Korea's leader there, as well as the drug lord Pablo Escobar. That's what he goes on to state. He says the last 5 years, the kind of violence, the kind of anarchy and the complete breakdown of rules and regulations in Andhra Pradesh, the number of cases that had been slapped on innocent people, all of this points out to the kind of governance that the YSRCP had. Remember, this comes just a day after Jagan had gone to Delhi, put up a presentation highlighting how in the last 45 days since the TDP-led NDA government had come into power, there had been violent cases that had been reported.
All right, thanks very much, Apurva, for getting us all of those details.